Chapter 9, The Skin I'm In. On Monday, Miss Allen, the art teacher, does a double take when I walk into her class. I know she wants to ask me what happened, but teachers can't always just come around and ask you stuff like that. Kids, they're different. As soon as I walked into the school building, they were all over me, wanting to know why I didn't have no hair. I expect John not to like the cut. I mean, what does he like about me anyhow? Nothing. And I expect Charlize and the twins to say they don't like it, even if they secretly do. In third period, kids really light into me. By fourth period, I'm wearing the baseball cap I brought from home, just in case. Mr. Klein, the social studies teacher, tells me to take off the hat, but I give him some lame excuse, and he lets me keep it on. The next thing I know, somebody's yanking off the hat and making cracks about my peanut head. I don't get it. I mean, I look good. I know I do. Desda comes up to me and says, I shouldn't let them get to me. I tell her I'll check her later. I go to the bathroom. Nobody's in there yet. I look in the mirror and start crying. You know, Malika, I hear myself say, you can glue on some hair, paint yourself white, come to school wearing a leather coat down to your toes, and somebody will still say something mean to hurt your feelings. That's how it goes at this school. I walk around that bathroom trying to think of what to do. I start reading some of the stuff on the walls. Char and Worm Forever, Wash Me, If You Like School, You Stupid. I sit myself up on one of the sinks and think back to Saturday when I got my hair cut. Tears come to my eyes when I put my hands on my head and feel my little bit of hair. I mean, I know I asked for it, and that it looked good at Ronnie's place, but seeing it in this school bathroom mirror is something else. I jump off the sink and lean close to the mirror on the wall and think of Daddy. Malika, he used to say, you got to see yourself with your own eyes. That's the only way you're going to know who you really are. I reach down into my bag and pull out the little hand mirror Daddy gave me and look at myself real good. My nose is running. I blow it and throw the tissue away. I splash some water on my face and pat it dry. I reach deep down in my pocketbook and pull out the little jar of Vaseline and shine up my lips. Then I ball up my cap, stuff it in my backpack, and walk right on out of there. And that concludes Chapter 9.